And then in terms of food, I don't know, how did you struggle with consistency in terms of changing from a very bad diet to healthier?
First, I addressed the main, how could I put it? I addressed that I'm at my heaviest, my appetite is at my most, I am going to crave, and I accept that. There's no way I can go from eating 6,000 calories, cool drinks and pizzas every day to eating a salad. What I told myself is, okay, before I eat anything, doesn't matter if it's healthy or unhealthy, I'm going to ask myself one simple question. Am I hungry or am I craving?